Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to show you guys a testnet that you guys can start right now. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, for this particular video, I'm not going to go into details about the project itself, but I'll just be giving you guys the step-by-step process in which you can farm this particular project. So please guys, if you are watching this video, do well to go to the description box, click on the link in the description box, register and start farming this project right now. And this video is going to be a bit lengthy one, so I would like you guys to please stay with me to the end of the video so that you can get the step-by-step process of farming this particular airdrop. Now we are just going to go to the website straight up, and as you guys can see, this is the website. This is the name of the project. It is called Mango Testnet Airdrop. Now once you've clicked on the link, you are also going to see a dashboard like this. But however, before you start mining this project, you have to first of all download the Mango wallet extension. Head over to the site icon on your Kiwi browser or your Mises browser, and then you look for Mango wallet extension. Now you are going to click on this, you are going to add it to Chrome, you are going to download the extension, you are going to register, and you are going to set up your passwords and save your seed phrase. Then after you are done with that, you are going to go back to the Mango website. Now when you want to register, the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to connect your wallet, you are going to link your X account, and you are going to link your Discord, and the referral code will also be down below. So you make sure you make use of the link in the description box and you copy the referral code and you input it right there. Now after you've downloaded your Mango wallet extension, the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to click on connect right over here. You click on Mango wallet. Now you're going to put in your password. Now you are going to click on approve. If you are doing this for the first time, you are going to need to click on approve, and then you come here and you sign it as well. Now I've registered into my account right now, but if you are doing this for the first time, you need to connect your wallet, link your X, link your Discord, and you make sure you join their Discord channel as well. Now before you even start anything on this airdrop, you need to head over to their Discord channel and then you request for faucet coins. Now you open your Mango wallet and you are going to copy this link right here. Now once you are here on Discord and you've joined the Mango Network Discord channel, the first thing, as always in every Discord channel, you have to verify yourself first. So you are going to go through the human verification by doing some bot recaptchas, and then you get yourself verified. Now what we need in the Discord is the MGO faucet. So after you've been verified, you come down here to MGO faucet, and then you are going to do this particular thing next. Now once you are in the faucet group, the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to send a message. You are going to type at MGO you are going to type MGO faucet and you are going to click on the faucet bot. And after that, you are going to paste in your wallet address link. So you make sure you tag the bot, because if you don't tag the bot may not recognize it. So you make sure you tag the bot whenever you want to send this message, and then you put in your Mango wallet address and then you send it. Now the whole idea of doing that is that we want to get test tokens, because that is what we do in testnet. You get test tokens to run a protocol, you do transactions, you perform bridges, just to test the performance of the upcoming project. Now we've gone to Discord and we've requested for the test tokens. So after that has been done, you come back to the website and then you perform all these tasks. Now the first task you are going to be performing is the Mango swap. So what you are going to do first is that you are going to click on the Mango swap. Then after you've tapped on the Mango swap, you are going to come down right here and you are going to click on go to do tax. Now once you click on go to do tax, it's going to take you to the swapping website. Now once you are in the swapping website, the very first thing we are going to do is that we are going to swap our NGO to USDT. So you are going to click on this, you click on NGO, Then you click on this, you switch it to USDT. Now you can send any amount of NGO you like, but for me personally, I mostly use 0.1 MGO. And you are going to click on submit. You confirm it in the wallet. So you click on approve. Then after that has been done, you click on NGO again. You click on USDT. You click on MAI. Then you also do the same thing as well. Now, after you've also approved that in the wallet, the final thing you are going to do is to come here again. You click on USDT, you switch it to MAI, then you take this back to USDT, and the same process, you select any amount and then you switch back to USDT and you approve in your wallet again. Now, after that has been done, you go back to the website, the original website. Now, going back to the original website, after you've performed all these three tasks, MGO to USDT, USDT to MAI, and MAI back to USDT, you are going to click on submit on all three. Then after you've clicked on submit, all the tasks will show completed, and if it is not showing completed, you can come right here and you click on this refresh button and everything is going to load out for you. Now that is the first step and the first task. Now the second task is for us to perform some transaction on Bindex app. Now for the previous task we just performed, we are getting 3 points per day, and we are able to do this for 5 consecutive days. We'll be getting 5 extra points up. Now this will be the first part of this particular video, and in the next video I'll come back to show you guys how you can do the Mango bridge and also the Bindex app tax as well. So for this particular video, we are only focusing on 2 tasks for now. So make sure you are updated as to when I release the next video so that you can also watch that as well, most probably by tomorrow or the following day. Now for the next task, you are going to go to Bindex Beta DApp. Now you are going to click on this. Now here we are guys, and the same thing, you are going to click on go to do tax, and it's going to take you to a particular website where you are going to run some transaction as well. So here we are guys, this is the DApp website. So the first thing you are going to do as always is to connect your wallet, which you are going to do in this black bar above it right now. Now the first thing you are going to do first is that you are going to need to buy AI. This is the name of the coin we want to buy. Now you can click on any amount. So before you first start, you are going to click on the first red right here. This first red right here, you click on it. Then you select the amount, which is about 0.1 as always. Please guys, I'm just using 0.1 for me. For you personally, you can use any amount whatsoever. These are all free trades and free tokens. So after that, I'm going to click on buy. Do is switch over to the sell side. Then once you are on the sell side, you pick the lower green, the first green, and then you click on all. You select all, and then you click on sell again. Then after approving the transaction in your wallet again, it is going to tell you operation successful. So we've done this second task. Now let's head over back to the original website and claim our points. So once you are here back on the original website, as the same thing as always, you click on submit and you submit the other one as well. It's going to synchronize, and then later on it will tell you that your task has been completed. Click on submit on the second one. So after that task has been done, you get to see that your total score has increased. Now when you first start, they will give you a default score of 200. So from there, by performing all these tasks, you are going to build up your points, and the more points you keep building up, the higher the chances of your airdrop. Now like I said, I'll only be doing 2 tasks in this video for now because I don't want the video to be too lengthy as it already is. But however, before I go off, please make sure you come to the third task right here and you download the Bindex app. Now once you've downloaded the app, this Mango wallet testnet, the wallet seed phrase, make sure you copy it and then you go over to the Bindex app and then you paste it in. Now, once you've downloaded the Bean Text app, the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to click on Import Wallet. Then you are going to paste in your Mango Wallet seed phrase. Please, the seed phrase you saved while opening your Mango Wallet will be the one you are going to put in right here. So I'm going to put in my seed phrase and I'm going to click on paste. Then I'll click on confirm import. Then I'm going to set my password. Then after that, after you've set your password, you head over here to custom network and you click on Mango testnet and you click on confirm. So this is about it, guys. This is all what we are doing for now. So in the next video, I'll be showing you guys the following remaining tasks. So this is just the part one of the Mango testnet airdrop update. So please, if you are watching this video and if you are interested, start doing all these tasks right now. Build up your points so that you can get something good from this particular airdrop. However, this project has not disclosed any amount they've raised for us right now. So we are still waiting for that information in the future. So that is it for this update videos, guys. Like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.